You know, it's that time of the year again when we're out looking for some easy, tasty recipes to take to potlucks or to serve at celebrations like graduations and showers. So today I've got something that might just be what you're looking for. I ran into a little girl the other day who said, "Oh, I love magic cookie bars. Could you do those sometime?" And what she meant was those 7-layer bars that have been around for years. You know, you layer butter, ground up graham crackers, some butterscotch chips, chocolate chips, a little coconut, pour over a can of sweetened condensed milk, and push some chopped nuts down in there and put it in the oven to bake, and you wind up with these just chewy, rich bars. So today I thought, you know, you don't have to make them just like the recipe says. You can customize them to fit your own taste. Today I have a taste for something a little bit tropical. So I'm starting by melting my butter. You preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and while it's preheating, put 1 stick of butter in your baking dish or your baking pan and put it in the oven. Melt the butter. Soon as the butter is melted, take it out of the oven, and you can sprinkle your crushed graham crackers or whatever you choose to use. Today I thought, why do I have to use graham crackers? I'm just going to use some crushed up shortbread cookies that I happen to have in my freezer. And you need about a cup of crumbs. Now, if you are using graham crackers, about 7 full-size graham crackers like this will give you about a cup of crumbs, which is what you need. So I'm just going to finish sprinkling my crumbs in until I get about as much as I want. I think it might be a little bit more than a cup that I have, but it's okay with these bars. And then I'm going to take about a cup to 2 cups of white chocolate chips. How about that? You know, these days there's so many different kinds of chips in the grocery store, different flavors. I saw some cinnamon chips and peanut butter chips. Then on top of my white chocolate chips, I'm going to take some chopped up dried apricot to it. Now I'm sprinkling some coconut chips on top of my dried apricots. And then all I would do is pour over a can of sweetened condensed milk, and then I chopped up some macadamia nuts that I happen to have in my freezer. And I'm going to sprinkle those over the top, put it into the oven to bake for only about 30 minutes. Once it's pretty cool, you can cut it up and you've got great sweet treats to take along to a celebration. Now, if you like Almond Joy candy bars, try using a graham cracker crust, some milk chocolate chips, a little bit of flaked coconut, and some almonds. I've already made up a pan of some bars using a mixture of white chocolate chips and raspberry flavored chocolate chips that I found in the grocery store with some chopped walnuts on top. So you see how easy it is? Once you get going, you might not be able to stop. There's so many possibilities for these bars. So enjoy the time making your bars and eating those bars and sharing them with friends. I'm Sue Doden, and now we're cooking.